ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बम्बे मेरी जान। हा हा हो ही हा हा। ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ, जरा हट के जरा बच के, ये है बम्बे मेरी जान। कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं ट्राम में, कहीं मोटर कहीं मिलता है यहाँ सब कुछ, एक मिलता नहीं दिल। कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं ट्राम में, कहीं मोटर कहीं मिलता है यहाँ सब कुछ, एक मिलता नहीं दिल। इंसान का नहीं कहीं नाम।
आज हम आपको ढोकले के साथ साथ पुदीने की चटनी भी बनाना सिखाएंगे। ये चटनी बड़ी निराली, ये न सिर्फ खाने के लिए।
अब आप गधों को छोड़ इंसानों से प्रेम करेंगे। प्रेम संबंध के लिए समय अनुकूल है।
If one wants to see the changing face of modern India, it is to be found on millions of TV screens. With its focused and uninterrupted programming, TV has captured the rhythm of change, showcasing lifestyles, tastes and aspirations of Indian people through its myriad programs. The ability of TV to influence the hearts and minds of its viewers has been effectively used by several sections of business and industry, whose numerous products and services are successfully promoted through creativity and imagination. With a wide variety of customized channels catering to each individual taste, there is one sector that is important to everyone but still remains totally untouched. With the growing need of real estate and its subsidiaries, the market size of real estate sector in India is projected to reach $180 billion by 2020. But with the challenges faced by the real estate industry due to lack of clear titles, absence of industry status, lack of adequate sources of finance, shortage of labor, and the rising manpower and material cost and approvals and procedural difficulties, high level of cost involved in buying land, construction, government taxes, corruption of the authorities, and high lending rates, the builders are sitting on huge piles of investment and unsold completed projects. In spite of heavy advertising in print and web, the builders are unable to stimulate the consumers, as the result of which everyone related to the real estate business, directly or indirectly, are suffering. Optimus Media Network India Limited is about to make waves by bringing on the TV scene a new innovation which would light up the horizons of an emerging India, whose landscapes are changing with the real estate revolution taking place in cities, towns and rural areas. Spin TV. The right answer at the right time. India's first and only real estate channel. Common platform for real estate industry and its ancillaries. Programming based on industry information, entertainment, learning, precise region-based advertising, and supported by media mix across company-owned TV channel, print and web. Let's hear what Mr. Manish, the visualizer and brain behind this innovation, has to say.
Presently, all builders and developers are showcasing their projects in the conventional way of marketing, like hoarding newspaper, holding exhibitions, seminars and all. What we could understand that apart from showcasing their project, there are a lot of problems in the real estate industry related to TDR, related to FSI, related to redevelopment, SRA schemes and all. Spin TV shall be able to give the most enriching experience of the real estate industry and the industries dependent on real estate to various viewers. Spin TV shall be able to showcase in their living room their dream home, their expected weekend homes, their expected affordable homes without going and physically inspecting those projects. Spin TV aims to provide the complete infotainment and entertainment experience to its viewers. In real sense, you can say Spin TV is a real estate, entertainment and lifestyle channel.
Spin TV will be characterized by a fascinating array of interesting programs which will attract the viewership of desired psychographic and demographic profile. Dream Home. This anchor-based program will highlight a builder's project in the most captivating manner. But what makes Dream Home a truly powerful 360-degree sales and marketing platform is the facility provided by Spin TV. There are inspiring programs like Udan, which feature outstanding entrepreneurs from real estate industry, people who have achieved greatness against all odds. While Realty Buzz, which presents a real estate industry analyst who not only gives tips about real estate related stocks but also talks about investment opportunities in real estate finance sector. Get all your legal problems addressed from our eminent panel of lawyers in the program called Legal Angle. Know the latest trends, future outlook, emerging realties on a versatile show called Expert Advice. One of the most distinctive shows of Spin TV. Saath Saath highlights the roles played by real estate brokers. We have seen how Spin TV can guide you to arranging the finance and knowing the legal procedures, to giving you choices of houses. It doesn't get over here. Beyond serious commercial facts and analysis, Spin TV program also present a fascinating mix of information and entertainment, knowledge and fun. For example, programs like Fun Time, May I Help You?, Dishai and Vastu Tips cater to a wide range of young and old audiences, helping them develop and enjoy new lifestyle experience. Spin TV also has programs which take their viewers across the borders and around the world, opening up their minds to diverse landscapes. For example, shows like Awesome Structure, Amazing Homes, and Intelligent Interior. The program would showcase structures with mind-boggling architectural concepts and unimaginably opulent residential properties in India and abroad. This fantastic range of programs would be prepared by entertaining feelers like Did You Know and Let's Do It that would liven up the pace of Spin TV programming. Spin TV would also offer the facility of region-based or localized telecast, keeping in view the specific location-based interests of many real estate projects. Given these uniquely innovative features, Spin TV is poised to emerge as the most happening place in the world of real estate in India.
I wish this platform will bridge between various trade bodies, various associations of real estate developed industry, various government and semi-government authorities working for the development of the real estate of this entire nation, and the ancillary industry targeting the captive audience to use Spin TV as their marketing platform to create more and the effectful brand awareness for their products and services they are advertising for.
No wonder Spin TV has already changed lives of millions of its audience. Spin TV is here to bring the much needed change in the industry and human as a whole.